It's finally happening. The affordable Tesla the world's been waiting for, the so-called 2026 Tesla Model 2, is getting very real. And what you think you know about Tesla might be about to flip upside down. Because if Tesla really pulls this off, cheap gas cars won't just look outdated, they'll look pointless. A potential sub-$16,000 electric car that could crush the old gas car business model. Sounds insane, right? But today, I'll show you why this isn't just sci-fi. Based on leaks, patents, factory plans, and industry analysis, it actually looks possible. Quick disclaimer before we dive in: Tesla hasn't officially confirmed every detail you're about to hear. This video combines leaks, insider reports, and what we already know about Tesla's technology to build the most realistic picture of the Model 2 so far. So treat this as a deep dive into the most likely version of the 2026 Tesla Model 2. Welcome back to Road Zone Reviews. If you love Tesla, EVs, and the future of tech on wheels, you're in the right place. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications because the next few years of electric cars are going to be wild. Now let's start with why the Model 2 even exists. 1. The master plan. Why Model 2 matters. Back in 2006, Tesla's master plan was simple, but bold. Start with expensive cars. Use that money to build cheaper ones. And eventually, create an affordable electric car that almost anyone could buy. For years, Tesla has had the Roadster, Model S, Model X, Model 3, Model Y, and now the Cybertruck. But that final step, the truly mass-market Tesla, still hasn't arrived. According to multiple reports, the Model 2 is designed to finally turn Tesla from a premium EV brand into a true car for the masses, a company. If Tesla pulls this off, this isn't just another model launch. It's a turning point for the entire auto industry. 2. The price shock. Under $16,000. Let's talk numbers because this is where things get crazy. Industry leaks and analyst models suggest Tesla is targeting a starting price under $16,000 for the Model 2 in some markets. For context, that's cheaper than many new gas cars. It competes with used car prices, and it's far from what people normally expect when they hear the word Tesla. To be clear, Tesla hasn't officially announced the final price. But if Tesla even gets close to that number, it changes everything. So the real question is simple. How do you build a Tesla that cheap without making it feel cheap? 3. The manufacturing cheat code. Giga casting. The answer starts with how the car is built. Traditional cars are made from hundreds of stamped metal pieces, welded, bolted, and glued together, with tons of robots, humans, time, and money. Tesla throws that playbook out. According to leaks, the Model 2 is built around next-generation Giga casting. Using massive Giga press machines, Tesla can cast huge portions of the car's body as just a few aluminum pieces instead of hundreds. Why does this matter? It slashes complexity, it reduces parts dramatically, and according to some estimates, it could cut body production costs by up to 40%. Fewer parts means fewer steps. Fewer steps means lower cost. This isn't just a cheaper way to build cars. It's a new way to think about manufacturing, and it's the backbone of a sub-$16,000 Tesla. 4. The factory of the future. Now imagine combining Giga casting with an entire factory designed for automation. Reports suggest Model 2 will be produced in next-generation Tesla Gigafactories built around highly automated assembly lines, AI-driven logistics, minimal human touchpoints in key areas instead of people moving parts around. Robots and autonomous systems handle most of the work. AI constantly optimizes speed, efficiency, and cost. The goal is simple: a factory that's not just big but smart, fast, and capable of producing millions of EV every year. If Tesla gets this right, this model can be repeated globally. 5. Design. Compact, minimal, obviously Tesla. So what does the Model 2 actually look like? Based on concept renders, leaks, and Tesla's design language, expect a compact hatchback or small sedan footprint. City Friendly size, easy to park, smooth aerodynamic lines with clean surfaces, thin LED headlights, no front grille, no unnecessary design clutter. It's not flashy. It's modern, simple, and efficient. Inside, the minimalism continues. One large central touchscreen, almost no physical buttons, clean dash, smart storage, simple steering wheel seats using sustainable materials and smart space usage. So the cabin feels bigger than the car's footprint suggests. Tesla wants this car to feel like a digital product, not an old school machine. 6 specs: range, battery, and performance expected. Now the part everyone cares about: range. Based on Tesla's current technology and cost targets, analysts expect the Model 2 to offer around 250 to 300 miles of range for higher range trims. Again, these are estimates, not official specs. Shorter range, cheaper variants are also likely for cost-sensitive markets. Battery strategy will likely focus on lower cost cell chemistry, structural battery packs. Efficiency over extreme performance. Charging is where things get very interesting. On current and future Tesla superchargers, the Model 2 could be capable of regaining around 150 miles of range in roughly 7-10 minutes, depending on conditions. That's approaching gas car convenience. Performance-wise, expect 0-60 times in the 6-7-second range. Instant torque for city driving, possibly dual motor variants later on. Not a supercar, but very quick for a compact, affordable EV. 7 software and smart features. Tesla's real advantage. This is where Tesla pulls away from cheap gas cars. Even at a lower price, Model 2 is expected to include Tesla's latest autopilot hardware, cameras and sensors ready for advanced driver assistance, full over-the-air software updates, Tesla navigation, voice commands, and smart features. In some regions, buyers may be able to add full self-driving and a software upgrade. Start cheap and unlock features later. This is classic Tesla. Hardware stays the same, software keeps improving. Your car literally gets better over time. 8. Global strategy. Built for the whole world, Model 2 isn't designed just for the US. Everything points toward a car small enough for dense cities, cheap enough for emerging markets, simple enough for mass global production. Think India, Southeast Asia, Latin America, European cities. If Tesla scales this globally, the Model 2 could outsell every other Tesla combined. Challenge the most popular gas cars ever made. We're talking about the potential best-selling vehicle on the planet, not just the best-selling EV. If that happens, buying your first car may quietly become buying your first EV for an entire generation. 9. What this means for you. Let's make it personal. If you've been curious about EV, or worried they're too expensive, or waiting for prices to drop, the Model 2 is that moment. A Tesla that costs like a normal car, has enough range for everyday life, and gives you access to Tesla's charging and software ecosystem. For many people, this won't be a luxury upgrade. It'll just be their next car. A turning point. Not just a car. Is the Tesla Model 2 officially revealed with every spec confirmed? No, not yet. But when you connect Tesla's master plan, Giga casting, factory automation, battery cost reductions, global scaling, you start to see something bigger forming. The Model 2 isn't just another Tesla. It's the moment when electric stops feeling like the future and starts feeling normal. Finally, if you enjoyed this deep dive into what the 2026 Tesla Model 2 could really look like, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. In upcoming videos, we'll break down how Model 2 compares to cheap Chinese EV, whether legacy brands like Toyota and VW can survive this shift, and how close we really are to a fully electric world. So if you don't want to be the last one to understand what's coming, make sure you're subscribed with notifications on. I'll see you in the next one.